Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This time I'm thinking about what makes a good garden. On a technical level, of course, a good garden needs an accurate plan, strong design, quality materials, plants that suit the soil and situation, and all of those combine to give year-round interest. But that's not really the crux of what I'm talking about today. When I ask people what they like about gardens and gardening, when we start to drill down into what gardening at home is really for, we come to one answer. And that is that gardening is all about well-being. And a good garden is the one that makes you feel good, whatever that means to you. We've known for a very long time that access to green spaces and connectedness to nature is crucial for mental well-being. And gardens are the ideal place for that to happen. At the 2016 Chelsea Flower Show, Chris Beardshaw exhibited the first garden that I'd seen with a specific well-being outcome in mind. He designed this beautiful garden for Great Ormond Street Hospital as a space where families, patients, staff and volunteers alike could go for respite and restoration. And at the show, I, along with many other people, stood for a long, calm, quiet moment, appreciating it in the bustle of the show. Since then, there have been many gardens created and articles written under the title of the WellBeing Garden, all based on the idea of calming and contemplating in a busy world. But I think that this is too narrow a definition of the well-being garden and misses the point that different people have different well-being needs and different gardens to match. Someone who feels they have too much silence and solitude may seek out bright, uplifting colours for their garden. For some people, hydrangeas are just old-fashioned, but for others, they may recapture happy memories of times and people and places. And spring flowers act as a marker for anyone badly affected by the shorter days and lower light levels of winter. That longer, brighter days are on the way. It may be that growing your own fruit and veg gives a sense of fulfillment, achievement and purpose, in which case a veg garden or allotment is going to be your well-being garden. But it's always worth keeping one restful corner where you can have your daily 10-minute de-stress break. So if your garden doesn't meet your needs, is full of plants you don't like, and causes more stress than joy, maybe, just maybe, it's time to make some changes. There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!